fabricator in your garage or a pro on a job site, this video will help you pick the combo that delivers MIG, TIG, stick and plasma cutting without breaking the bank. I've tested the specs, safety, and real customer feedback so you can make the right choice. Stick around. One of these is PT31 cutting gun, etc. Pros. Dual voltage works with both 110 voltage and 220 voltage. Great for job sites and home use. Solid accessory set. Long leads, regulators, guns. You get a lot out of the box. Digital display plus protection features make it user-friendly and safer. Cons. Heavy unit and lots of components, portability takes a hit. Some customers mention the consumables, tips, nozzles, wear out faster than the rest. Price is higher than basic welders, as expected with so many functions. Customer review highlight. Many say it's perfect for aluminum welding and versatile,